Welcome back. In today's video, I will show you 5 ChatGPT prompt which will help you level up your game as a Salesforce developer or a Salesforce professional. As you can see on screen, we have first prompt which is related to Apex trigger. So here I am asking ChatGPT to act like a Salesforce developer with years of experience, and here I want it to write a apex trigger where whenever a new account is created, then a contact should be created and related to that account. So as you can see, this is the response which ChatGPT has generated. Also it has explained the code. Also it has left the placeholder where I can do the changes in the code and use this code. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to write apex trigger. Now let's move on to the second prompt where ChatGPT will help me in finding issue with my code. As you can see on screen, here I have given some code to the ChatGPT, and here I am unable to use call this method into the LWC JavaScript controller. So this is the question which I asked ChatGPT, and here ChatGPT response where it is telling me that I have missed the aura enabled annotation in the method here. That is why I am not able to uh, call this method from LWC JavaScript controller. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for finding issues in your code. Let's move on to the third prompt, which is related to we have a lot of JSON data and we want to convert into Apex class. Like if we are working with some integration and we have complex JSON data, and now we have to write the Apex class for it. Now there is no need to write that class from scratch. You can directly give the response to ChatGPT and it can help you generate the Apex class for you. As you can see, I have given a sample JSON structure here, and ChatGPT has helped me with generating the Apex class. So this is one use case of ChatGPT. Now let's move on to the next one. Here again, I am asking ChatGPT to act like a expert Salesforce developer and assist me in writing the test class for the code which we have seen here. So here ChatGPT has helped us with writing a trigger, and now we are taking the same code to the ChatGPT and asking it to generate test classes for us. So here you can see ChatGPT has written the test class for us. It has generated some test data. Also here it has added the assert equal statement. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for writing test class. Now let's move on to the next use case, which is like we can ask ChatGPT to help us with writing Salesforce formula field. So here I am asking it to behave like an Salesforce admin with years of experience, and here I want that I have stored an image in static resource and I want to show this image in a formula field. So this is my problem statement, and now ChatGPT has generated some response. Here it is saying that we can use the image formula here and also use our static resource. Here we can give the alt text for the image along with the height and width. So this is how you can use image into a Salesforce formula field. And these are the 5 scenarios which I have thought of, which can help you improve your Salesforce developer game. That's it in this video. Please like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.